In Flexitive, you can create preview pages that can include multiple design variations in a single page URL. You can create up to 5 different designs and show them in one page. This multi-design preview page can be used for showing different design versions, for getting feedback from stakeholders to choose the best design. For example, here we have one design that uses falling beans, whereas the other uses falling leaves. You can also do this to show the differences between design variations. In this particular example, we have one version that uses celebrate coffee with learn more for the call to action. And here we use the word premium roast with try it today instead. This can also be done to show different language or demographic design variations. So in this particular example, we have the same English text with celebrate coffee and learn more, but in the second design, we use French copy instead. You can also do this to show designs for different channels such as display ads, social media, and email marketing in one place. In this particular version, we have a display ad version here, and then a version designed for social here. To build a multi-design preview page, you'll want to start with the preview pages that you're looking to combine. In this particular case, I'm going to be combining 3 different designs into a single preview URL. The first design is using an MP4 asset background on this Celebrate Coffee design. The MP4 is of these falling coffee beans. The next design is going to also be an MP4 background, but this one is going to use an MP4 of some falling leaves. This is a design variation that will be able to compare between those 2 different designs by putting them on the same page. I have a third variation where we actually have a static JPEG version of that background falling leaves. What I'm going to do to combine these is to jump into these URLs here and edit them to create the new URL. I'm going to start using the falling leaves video background here. And to add this into the falling beans background, all we're going to do is start by selecting the area starting right after this question mark up until just after the ampersand that precedes the words template ID. So I'm going to select all of this, press Ctrl+C, and then jump over to the falling beans background video. And in the URL here, in that same place where we copied to, so this ampersand before template ID, I'm going to paste in what I just copied. Now, if you'd like to do this for multiple designs, you just repeat the process. So I'm going to jump over to the static image variation here, start once again just after this question mark, and copy all the way until after this ampersand, Ctrl+C, and paste it into that URL here. When I press enter, Flexitive is going to combine these 3 designs into a single URL that can then be shared. This URL contains all 3 designs, so the falling beans background, the falling leaves background, and then the static version of that same falling leaves asset. If you have any questions about how to create a multi-design preview, you can check out our support article on it in our knowledge base. Just simply look for multi-design preview, and you can find the article here. This will have more information on how to create your own preview page yourself, or you can reach out to us at support@flexitive.com. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Please give us a like or subscribe on your favorite social media platforms, and until next time, have a great day.